U.S. Navy has finally acknowledged that videos appearing to show UFOs flying through the air are real. They don't call them UFOs, they call them unidentified aerial phenomena.
The U.S. military's secret UFO program is now involved in the ongoing Middle East conflict. In recent times, there have been surprising UFO revelations. The armed forces first revealed the creation of space forces. Then the Pentagon disclosed classified records on the truth of unidentified flying objects. And finally, a congressional delegate testified under oath to witnessing extraterrestrial technology. In an unexpected development, the United States has deployed advanced UFO aircraft developed in Area 51 to the Gaza Strip. What are these terrifying weapons, and how will their deployment impact the ongoing war? Let's find out. Reports of UFO activity in Area 51 have been prevalent since the mid-20th century, with a notable increase in sightings between the 1950s and 1960s. While the base is shrouded in secrecy, it was recently discovered that a series of test flights were conducted for a previously undisclosed aircraft, incorporating the most impressive features from existing fighters. This remarkable new technology combines the triangular design of the Manta, the unparalleled speed capabilities of Darkstar's engine, the cutting-edge artificial intelligence from NGAD, and the stealth capabilities inspired by B-21 Raider's invisibility technology. Guess what? All these specifications have been put into a single aircraft recently developed in Area 51. While regular fighter jets typically boast one major feature, the engineers embarked on an audacious experiment merging all available technologies into one aircraft. The extraordinary TR-3B Black Manta, often mistaken as a human-created UFO due to its unconventional shape, was merely a prototype for creating the real UFO technology that has now been deployed to Israel. What makes this UFO aircraft so unique? The Manta is a triangular aerospace platform, measuring an impressive 623 feet in length and 328 feet in width. The new aircraft has the same shape, but is much smaller, more like a fighter jet. However, the engineers behind the new aircraft decided to adopt a smaller, more fighter jet-like design, while retaining the distinctive triangular shape. This unconventional choice was no accident, as it allows for complete silence during operation, thanks to the implementation of unique aerodynamic technologies. The possibilities of the new aircraft are virtually limitless, with its potential characteristics only constrained by physical loads. With this in mind, the engineers spared no effort in maximizing its capabilities. Then the engineers looked at Darkstar, an extraordinary aircraft that embodies the very essence of hypersonic speed and power. At the heart of this aircraft is an incredibly powerful engine that can propel it to astonishing speeds of up to 7,500 miles per hour. Fueling this remarkable power plant is a specially formulated mixture of hydrogen and oxygen, expertly combined in the combustion chamber. This revolutionary fuel blend significantly enhances the engine's power output and efficiency. The implications of such incredible speed are profound. Darkstar can execute rapid maneuvers and reach targets with unprecedented swiftness. Whether it's intercepting enemy aircraft, conducting critical reconnaissance missions, or swiftly responding to emerging threats, this hypersonic marvel stands at the forefront of technological advancement. The military witnessed the resounding success of Darkstar during rigorous testing and recognized that they had created a truly exceptional aircraft. Convinced of its potential, they made the decision to incorporate this powerhouse engine into the new aircraft. Operating at hypersonic speeds, thanks to the utilization of special hydrogen fuel expertly mixed with oxygen, the powertrain of this aircraft is a force to be reckoned with. But the engine is not the only remarkable feature. The aircraft also boasts a vortex magnetic field generator, which harnesses the Earth's magnetic field to assist with takeoff, effectively reducing the aircraft's weight by nearly half. Furthermore, taking inspiration from the unique engine placement of the F-35, the new aircraft also possesses the ability to take off vertically. This capability grants unparalleled versatility, allowing for landing in various terrains, whether it's an open field, the rooftop of a building, or a conventional runway. Watching footage of this aircraft taking off or descending vertically can give the impression of a UFO in action, adding to its mystique. Selecting the ideal covering for the aircraft was a critical task for the engineers. They needed to create a lightweight, powerful machine while ensuring its visibility to enemy detection was minimized. Drawing on the expertise of hyperstealth biotechnology, renowned for their work on the legendary B-21 Raider bomber, the engineers developed an absorbent cover that manipulates radar waves, rendering the aircraft nearly invisible to enemy detection. This cutting-edge technology enables the aircraft to approach enemy territory undetected, executing critical missions with an element of surprise. The B-21 Raider bomber, with its stealth capabilities, can infiltrate enemy airspace and strike strategic targets with remarkable precision, ensuring the safety of the crew and the success of the mission. The design of the B-21 Raider allows for flexibility in mission profiles, adapting to a wide range of operational scenarios. It transcends the role of a mere bomber, evolving into a strategic asset that can effectively counter evolving threats. In the event that the aircraft is detected by radar, it is equipped with a radar scattering system that creates an enormous obstacle, making it nearly impossible to determine the exact location of the airplane. As for weaponry, no fighter jet is complete without an arsenal of advanced armaments. In the case of this extraordinary aircraft, the engineers at Area 51 ensured a perfect match that accentuates the extraterrestrial technology embodied within this remarkable machine. One of the most popular conspiracy theories surrounding Area 51 is the idea of reverse engineering extraterrestrial technology. According to this theory, the US government, particularly at Area 51, is actively involved in studying and replicating advanced technology obtained from crashed extraterrestrial spacecraft. While there is no solid evidence to support these claims, proponents of the theory put forward several arguments. Believers in the reverse engineering theory often point to incidents such as the Roswell incident in 1947, where it is claimed that the US government secretly recovered crashed UFOs along with their technology and materials. They argue that various significant technological advancements made by the United States, especially in aerospace and computing, are too remarkable to be solely attributed to human ingenuity. Instead, they assert that these breakthroughs are the result of reverse engineering alien technology. The existence of classified projects, black budgets, and the extreme secrecy surrounding Area 51 add credibility to the theory. It is believed that these covert projects are dedicated to understanding and reproducing extraterrestrial technology. Interestingly, some individuals who claim to have worked at or near Area 51 have come forward as whistleblowers, sharing their alleged involvement in reverse engineering extraterrestrial technology. Although these accounts are largely based on personal anecdotes, they contribute to the overall speculation surrounding the conspiracy theory. Furthermore, there are speculations connecting Area 51 to the existence of the so-called Men in Black, shadowy government agents who supposedly suppress information related to UFOs and encounters with extraterrestrial beings. These figures are often depicted as intervening in UFO sightings and silencing witnesses. While there is currently no concrete evidence to support this claim, it is known that advanced airships have been developed and tested in Area 51. What if the wide, how was this groundbreaking UFO aircraft made and tested? In 2014, Lockheed Martin initiated testing of a new combat laser, bringing together a group of engineers from around the world who specialized in laser technologies. This closed conference united brilliant minds with cutting-edge technology, resulting in the creation of an exceptionally powerful laser system known as LAWS-2. This automatic laser-directed energy system offers multiple operating modes, making it a formidable tool for military purposes. One of the key advancements in LAWS-2 lies in the strategic placement of its lenses and the unique characteristics of the laser itself. These innovations have tripled the laser's range compared to its predecessor. In its normal mode, the laser operates at 200 kilowatts of power, enabling it to disable the electronics of enemy vehicles and missiles from a distance of 6 miles. However, this power level falls short of providing complete protection. It's even been speculated that the scarcity of high-quality UFO recordings may be attributed to the laser's ability to deactivate smartphones when they come too close. If the aircraft employing LAWS-2 were to activate its 2nd mode, the laser's power would reach an astounding 400 kilowatts, capable of melting metal within seconds from a distance of 12 miles. These impressive range and power capabilities position LAWS-2 as one of the most advanced laser systems utilized for military applications. A vortex generator supplies ample energy to sustain this remarkable laser system. The applications of such a laser extend beyond missile, projectile, and drone defense, as it can disable them in less than a second. It also poses a formidable threat to aircraft and helicopters, capable of destroying them in a mere 3 seconds. When you have an aircraft capable of flying at speeds of 7,500 miles per hour, while remaining invisible and simultaneously controlling a laser system, it becomes crucial to have a capable operator at the wheel. Due to the immense stresses and temperatures experienced when an aircraft flies at full speed, reaching temperatures of up to 750 degrees F, human pilots cannot continuously withstand such conditions. Therefore, the ideal candidate for the pilot role is an artificial intelligence (AI) system, which has previously been tested on the NGAD fighter jet. The neural network housed within the aircraft's onboard computer assumes control over various processes, including flight, target tracking, attack maneuvers, and intelligence transmission to other aircraft. Similarly, the AI system transmits the instrument panel's data to a screen within the command center, allowing a duty officer to assume manual control of any part of the aircraft in the event of a malfunction. Striking a balance between human and AI control optimizes the combination of flexible human thought and instant computing capabilities. This seamless integration facilitates the completion of combat missions with ease. In pursuit of invincibility, the engineers at Area 51 are exploring the addition of the ability to release stored energy in the form of electrical impulses to their aircraft. This innovative enhancement would further augment the aircraft's capabilities, solidifying its extraordinary status. Presently, there is no known opponent capable of matching the capabilities of this groundbreaking aircraft. The strength of this aircraft stems from the years of relentless work by engineers at the highly secretive U.S. military base, where they have pioneered and implemented technologies previously confined to the realms of fiction. Every detail and technological innovation incorporated into this aircraft evokes an otherworldly aura. The engineers have gone to great lengths to ensure that this new fighter jet attains unrivaled superiority in the skies above our planet and potentially beyond. Why was this groundbreaking UFO aircraft specifically chosen by U.S. military? Picture this: a squadron of top-secret aircraft so advanced that they could easily be mistaken for UFOs. You might say this sounds very close to a scene in a sci-fi movie. Yes, it does, but that's what you expect from classified military projects. In 2013, the U.S. Air Force embarked on a covert mission over the Pacific Ocean, deploying an unidentified aircraft with the purpose of national intelligence gathering intel from regions like the Gaza Strip, Iran, Russia, and China. But fate had other plans. There was a leak, perhaps due to an oversight in document storage, inadvertently spilled the beans. Detailed blueprints, characteristics, features, and profiles of the personnel behind this covert operation were unveiled. Yet one critical piece of information remained hidden, obscured with a black marker: its name. Just like a scene from a classic spy movie, this aircraft was encased in an enigmatic aura. Enter the experts, decoding the puzzle of an 8-letter word. Their deduction led to a revelation. The mysterious aircraft was the RQ-170 Sentinel. This spy plane had been lurking in the background, concealed in the heart of America's most enigmatic military base, Area 51. Nestled in the Nevada desert, Area 51 boasts a reputation teeming with tales of UFO sightings. A hub for peculiar lights in the night sky, encounters with triangular objects, and even sightings of flying saucers. It's the stuff of extraterrestrial lore. Amidst this tapestry of intrigue, the Sentinel found itself under the watchful eyes of curious onlookers and countless camera lenses. The RQ-170 Sentinel, however, was no ordinary aircraft. It was a technological masterpiece. While other nations were still piloting manned reconnaissance aircraft, the Sentinel was a pioneering unmanned aerial vehicle. Designed with a solitary mission to spy on high-priority enemy targets, its name spoke volumes. But there's a twist in this story. Alongside its primary task of gathering sensitive information, it earned an unexpected reputation. It became a talking point among UFO enthusiasts, solidifying its status as part of the UFO narrative. Fast forward to the 1970s, Area 51 unveiled a remarkable aircraft known as the F-117 Nighthawk. Lockheed Skunk Works, the mastermind behind its creation, crafted a design that defied convention. This revolutionary aircraft became the world's first stealth bomber, pushing the boundaries of aviation. Its unique shape alone could have easily secured it a prize for the most unconventional aircraft. The F-117 Nighthawk was equipped with revolutionary stealth technology that significantly reduced its radar signature, making it difficult to detect. This extraordinary capability earned it the nickname Invisible Plane. Additionally, its surface was coated with a special reflective material that resembled diamonds, fueling rumors about its ostentatious embellishment. However, the truth was far more practical and less extravagant. Beyond its mysterious exterior, the F-117 Nighthawk housed an array of cutting-edge technology that made it a force to be reckoned with. Celebrated for its stealth, agility, speed, and reliability, its mission was clear: penetrate enemy airspace undetected and execute precise strikes on high-value targets. Due to its unconventional design, the Nighthawk often found itself mistaken for a UFO, prompting panicky citizens to capture its sightings on camera and share their experiences online. However, in 2019, the F-117 Nighthawk was officially made available to the public at the Reagan Library. Jeff Babione, the vice president and general manager of the Lockheed Martin Skunk Works, stated that the development of the F-117 was driven by a pressing national requirement. He emphasized that the aircraft played a crucial role in advancing stealth technology and served as a reminder to constantly push the boundaries of what is achievable. In the 1990s, Boeing made its foray into classified aircraft development with the bird of prey as part of a U.S. Air Force project at Area 51. The YF-118G, unlike conventional aircraft, had a truly unique design similar to that of Klingon cruisers from the Star Trek universe, adding an element of science fiction allure. However, what truly distinguished the bird of prey was its mission, which differed from its reconnaissance-focused counterparts. Instead of focusing on intelligence gathering, the bird of prey served as a platform for testing and advancing pioneering aviation technologies aimed at minimizing detectability. It provided an opportunity to experiment with the latest stealth coatings, including the elusive transparent skin, meticulously evaluating their effectiveness. Going even further, the bird of prey delved into unexplored territory by exploring hologram technology. Combining its extraordinary design with these cutting-edge technologies, it is conceivable that the aircraft could have contributed to the phenomenon captured in videos, where airborne objects appeared to dissolve into thin air, leaving viewers perplexed. But why are UFO sightings increasing in number? Although many retired classified aircraft now sit dormant in hangars, the recent surge in UFO sightings continues to puzzle and captivate. These retired aircraft, with their recognizable designs, are unlikely to be mistaken for UFOs. So what could be the cause of these baffling and unexplained sightings? Probably NGAD fighter. The Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD fighter is a secretive sixth-generation jet that pushes the boundaries of technological innovation. The NGAD represents a marvel, both in terms of its internal capabilities and its external appearance. Every component has been meticulously engineered to work in harmony, poised to set new standards for its counterparts. Among its exceptional features is a unique stealth skin that not only deflects radar waves, but also has the ability to block laser weapons. Adding to its intrigue is a hologram system, which was initially tested on the bird of prey. With a simple push of a button, the NGAD can project an image on its surface, effectively rendering itself nearly invisible, a testament to what could be perceived as technology beyond our understanding. The NGAD's capabilities are not confined to conventional altitudes. It has the ability to soar at orbital heights, traversing the boundaries of Earth's atmosphere and venturing into the vastness of space itself. This opens up the possibility of engaging with satellites or encountering actual, unidentified flying objects if they happen to cross its path. Equipped with a scanning beam that functions like an X-ray,
The NGAD can peer through adversaries and even walls, introducing a whole new dimension to the concept of aerial dominance. The United States has always been at the forefront of cutting-edge military technology, and there's no doubt that the country takes immense pride in its capabilities. The military is not just a symbol of its strength, but a testament to the dedication and innovation that defines this great nation. From state-of-the-art fighter jets like the F-35, with its unmatched stealth and precision, to the awe-inspiring firepower of the naval fleet, the country's military showcases the very best in modern warfare technology. The world watches in awe as the armed forces seamlessly blend technological advancements with strategic brilliance.
The country's satellites, surveillance drones, and other advanced security measures are the envy of nations worldwide, ensuring national security is second to none. It's not just about the machines, though. It's the brilliant minds behind them, the scientists, engineers, and military personnel who work tirelessly to safeguard the nation. The military is a source of national pride, a testament to American ingenuity and resilience. It's a reflection of the unwavering commitment to protect the homeland and promote peace and stability around the world. Still, outside these advanced airships, there is still footage of objects that defy our typical understanding of aircraft, leaving us with a tantalizing question: who is on the other side of the interstellar space planning a trip to Earth? The boundary between classified military technology and the unknown remains as blurred as ever. Thanks for watching another episode of Beyond Discovery. While you're still here, click on the other videos you see on your screen right now.